morning. Welcome to Buddy at Bert's Garage. It's a very hot day today, so it's going to be a limited time I spend in the garage. I wanted to take you guys, give you a little update where we stand. We got the car running a couple days ago, and it's not perfect, but I took the carburetors off and rebuilt the carburetors. And my friend Everett came over yesterday, and we messed with them again. One jet was sticking and couldn't get it running, so I decided to leave it alone for the afternoon. Come back and work on it a little bit this morning before it gets too hot. It's like 100 degrees down here in South Carolina, so it's my shop's not air conditioning, so I spent a limited amount of time. Also, I've been out of town, so hiking in western North Carolina with my family. And but I wanted to give you an update where we stand, what's going on. I got some good things going on, and hopefully we'll get this thing up and running pretty soon. So stick with me, hang in there. Let's get this thing and give you an update. So a couple things. I'm getting the seats put back in. I received my new back. Well, not new. It's from a car. Guy sent me the wrong one. He sent me a driver's side. I really need the passenger side, so I had to put that on hold. So we're going to get this seat in today. I got the carpet laid out. Pretty much looking pretty good, and the engine's looking good. The oil looks good. The carburetors, like I said, we're going to try to get it cranked up here in a minute. But I got a little video that I'll show on this of it running, and it was running okay. Not perfect, but not doing too bad. So just want to give you a little update while I'm here today and show you where we are. And let's get on with it. Let's get the I got the put the bolts in this, and my bolts weren't long enough, so I had to go get some more bolts for my seats. So I'm gonna try to get that bolted in today, so at least have a place to sit when I'm trying to start this thing up. So that's where we stand. So hang in there, and thanks for coming along with me. Share, like, and subscribe. Appreciate it.